Squawk, squawk. Oh, it's a parrot. Hello, how are you today? Hey, let's draw one. Let's start by doing the tongue and the beak. Now let's do the face and the round part of the body. Some feathers on the head, an eyebrow. Now the wing. Lots of ovals. And join it to the body. And the second layer of feathers. And a third layer of feathers with longer strokes. Wow, so simple and so effective. The other wing. Again, layer upon layer of feathers. Excellent. One more layer. Wow, look at that. Such a beautiful parrot. Now let's do the legs. We're going to do a little bit of fur at the end of those. Joining onto the foot. 3 talons. Perfect, let's do the other leg. Same way. And the foot, the talons. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Oh, let's do the tail. Some long feathers for the tail. 4 feathers. Join that up to the body with some shorter feathers. And there! Brilliant. Let's paint. Starting with red. Yay, let's do red for the first top layer of our feathers. Curvy lines stay in between and do the legs the same colour. Yeah, let's have them matching. Why not? And the other wing. Curve, curve, curve. And long strokes, filling in the lines. And let's do the tuft of hair on the top as well, around the face. And the body. A nice red parrot, here we go. Ooh yeah, brushing to and fro. Let's go with yellow. Yellow for the beak. Very, very nice. Lovely peach, more subtle for the mouth. And some bright pink for the tongue. Green next. Let's do our face green, going carefully around our eye. And yellow is going to be our next layer of wing feathers. It looks so gorgeous, it matches the beak. I'd like to paint this again next week. Ooh, I love this parrot so much. I like the finishing sparkly touch. Look at that. Let's do purple next for the third and final layer of each of our wings. And they're both going to be matching, of course. Do you have a favourite bird? Ooh, I like toucans. I think they're really cool and I love the colours on their beak. But parrots are super awesome as well. I love how they can speak and learn what to say. It's amazing, isn't it? Right, blue next. For our tail, the top part's going to be blue. I have to say that is one of my favourite colours. Then yellow for our first long feather. Let's go with pink next. For our second long feather. Green for the third one. What colour should we do the last one? How about purple? Yeah, that will match the wings. Lovely. Brown now for the rest of the legs and feet. The light brown, kind of chocolatey, and a dark one for the talons. Beautiful. Wow, there we have it. A beautiful rainbow sparkly parrot. Squawk, squawk. All right, mate. Who's a pretty girl then? Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.